Good morning. It's been such a long time, and at the moment, I don't even know where to begin from. However, it's Sunday, it's the 2nd of February, and I am going now to the supermarket. I think it's 11:05 in the morning. So yeah, I'm just going to do my shopping for the week, and I'll be back and maybe we can catch up. However, today I have like a pretty relaxed day, but I want to do some stuff in the house, so let's go and see. So I'm back from the supermarket and I got so many stuff. First of all, of course, this one is from US. But yeah, so I got like 3 Jason Sardos. I went like literally to 3 supermarkets because I have different things from different supermarkets, so you know, that's it. I got this too. I got some celery, some pesto. I got Italian style mixed herbs because I want to do like a new recipe that I found online and it seems quite nice. I got some orzo because I love orzo. I got some bananas. These chocolate flavor protein puddings, I love them. I recently discovered them in Aldi and I'm obsessed with them. It feels like I'm eating like literally sweet. I got some gloves because it's nice to have them. Again, protein pudding, some pomegranate. I got like 4 of them, I think. I got from Sainsbury's some feta. What else? Parmigiano. I got this smoked salmon. This is for my partner. He just loved this, and to be honest, this one is quite expensive, but he says he can really taste the difference, so you know, once in a while it's fine. I got some potatoes, and then I got some tomato paste as well. And I actually in between I went like to Oxfam and I found like this book. It's called like Yellowface, and last year I believe, so it was quite famous. Like everybody was reading it, so I was like, yeah, why not? It was only like £3, so why not? What else did I got? I got some shiitake mushroom. I'm actually going to cook them today. I got some lirdammer. I don't know why my voice keeps doing that, but never mind. I got some baby spinach for this new recipe that I told you about. Some gnocchi, again, for this new recipe. And some plain flour. What else? Some dried tomatoes. This is actually, again, for the new recipe that I told you about. So I'm really excited. I love some dried tomatoes, especially in a salad, but I haven't tried them before on a food, so quite excited. Ricotta, some honey, and that's pretty much it. That was it. So actually now I'm going to eat some breakfast. It's 12 p.m. I know it's quite late, but I think actually I'm going to eat one of those protein puddings because they keep you filled. And then I have to do some stuff on my computer. After that, I just have like to kind of you know, tidy up because the house mess yesterday wasn't my greatest day. So you know, when you're not good, you just don't do anything. So that day I just wanted something quick, new and fun. Even though I've had like similar lunches before, it was an alteration basically from many recipes that I've done before. However, it had like a twist. I added like shiitake mushrooms. As you saw, I chopped like half an onion and then I just let them stir, and I stirred them for like, I think it was like around 15 minutes. I added some garlic, some crushed chili peppers, and of course salt and pepper. And then I added the orzo. It was just for one person, so I just sauteed the orzo and added a block. I think it was like 10 grams of butter, and then I added water for just one person, again one portion, and I let it basically boil. And I had some stock as well. This one was beef stock. It was very delicious, and I just stirred and stirred and added at the end some parmesan, and that was it. It was actually really tasty and quite quick. I mean, not very quick, but in comparison to other recipes, it was quick, tasty, and that was all. It's a couple hours later. I just sat down and relaxed, and now it's the time to clean. It's currently, I believe so, it's 5 p.m, 4:30, somewhere in between. And yeah, I feel energized even though I just need a cup of coffee, but I don't have any coffee at home. So what I'm going to do is just start like cleaning the dishes and then probably just do some other bits.